Hey guys, it's me, Stace. Today we're using our brother's scan cut machine to apply some vinyl to a mug. Super cute. And this is a free SVG file. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already inside the Canvas workspace. I am also using a desktop version. We're going to go ahead and close out this Canvas project pattern collection window, so we're inside the workspace itself. Now we want to go to the web browser and grab the free SVG file. And the website I am at is burtonavenue.com. I will have a direct link to this file in the description box below. You can say it says Eat, Drink, and Be Thankful SVG file, and it does say for personal use only. We're going to scroll down to find the download. All right, there it is there. The little blue button says Download Free Files. That downloads to my download folder. Now I'm on a Mac, so to unzip my file, all I need to do is double click on it. If you're on a Windows computer, you might need to right click and choose extract or unzip that way. All right, go ahead and double click on that. You'll see it, and now we have a blue folder. Open that up, and this is where all the files are. I'm going to close out the web browser and go back to the Canvas workspace. Now you can bring in the SVG file one of two ways. You can either drag it and drop it right inside the workspace, or you can go to your left-hand side toolbar and choose where it says SVG. I'm going to do it that way in case you're using the internet version of the Canvas workspace. So left-hand side toolbar, the fourth icon down says SVG. We're going to go ahead and click on that. That's going to open up to my download folder, and I'm going to grab the SVG here and then choose Open. Now you will see it does come in not grouped together. You can see each piece is by itself. I'm going to go and highlight all the pieces, right-click on that, highlight them all. Right click and then choose group. So now when I click on one, they're all selected. Now because I'm putting this on a mug, I do want to resize it. So I have this the group design selected. Right hand side toolbar. The second button down is your edit panel. And you can see the size here. You want to make sure that maintain aspect ratio box is checked. And my mug is about 3.5 inches tall. So I think I'll make this be 3.25 tall. I'm going to click on enter to change the size of that. I'm going to bring it down some, a little bit. Whenever I cut vinyl, I don't like cutting it in the upper left corner. I always like bringing it down some. All right, so there's my file. The very top toolbar, click on File, choose Export. I'm going to transfer to the machine. Click OK. I'm going to go to the machine, cut the vinyl out 2 times, and then we'll go to the table and put it on our mug. All right, here we are at the scan and cut. My mat is already loaded. I'm going to go ahead and choose Retrieve Data. All right, there's my design right there. I'm going to go ahead and choose OK. Choose Cut. Now before I choose Cut, I do want to hit my little wrench and choose the half cut option for vinyl. So we see the half cut is off. I'm going to turn that on, choose OK, and then we're going to hit start. And I'll zoom you guys out a little bit so you can see the machine cutting. Alright, here you are. You can see the machine cutting. It says it has 2 minutes. Now I'm using an SDX225F brother machine. I'm not sure if that half cut feature is on all machines or not. If it's not on your machine, just do a test cut. You want to make sure you're cutting just the vinyl layer and leaving that paper backing on the back side. Let this finish cutting. We'll go to the table and put the vinyl on our mug. Alright, so we are back. My vinyl's cut out. I already went ahead and weeded one of them, and I thought I would weed this one with you. Before I do that, though, I'm actually going to clean my mug. So I just have regular rubbing alcohol and a piece of paper toweling. Just clean the mug on the outside. That way our vinyl will stick nicely to it. And this is Oracal 651 vinyl. Now if your machine does have the half cut feature, I recommend when you're done cutting this to turn that feature back off, because I've been known to leave that feature on and then it's not cutting all the way through my cardstock. I'm using the Cricut tool to go inside the letters so it doesn't get stuck and tear. There we go. It actually does a really good job cutting out the vinyl. Alright, now let's go ahead and take out the inside pieces of all our letters. And I do this on an angle versus directly over it because I can't see anything. Oh, and that piece is supposed to stay. Let's grab the outer piece of that. There we go, and I'll pick this piece back up and put that where it's supposed to go. There we go, okay. Now, I was asked before if the Oracal 651 vinyl is food safe. It is not. So if you're going to use this on a plate that you want to put cookies on or something, I recommend going to the Dollar Tree and finding a clear plate and putting this on the back side. Alright, the inside of the other B. There we go. And then lastly we have our A. And then just give it a once over, make sure all your pieces are out. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Get the vinyl off my fingers. That drives me crazy. Okay. Alright, so we have that. I'm still fiddling over with the vinyl. Alright, now what I want to do is take some Scotch tape to hold my vinyl down on my table. Then take transfer tape, and I just have this clear stuff I bought from Amazon a while ago, and I put it on my table first before I put it on the vinyl. Then I take a little credit card and I just scooch it across. And I'm actually going to pick everything up and then cut away the extra tape. Okay, get rid of that. And just go ahead and give it a good rub. Also rub it from the back side as well. Alright, let's give it a test. Oh, almost there. I like that it's all different fonts. And you know, we're putting it on a mug today. You can certainly put this on a vase, on a big, like a square tile. You know, we've done vinyl on tiles before. Alright, that's... Oh, okay, a little bit more sticking. Just be patient with it, it will come. Alright, let's try it again. There we go. Oh, my eye is sticking. There we go. Just go nice and slow. Okay, I see right there at the very bottom my B is sticking, so I'm just going to concentrate on this area right here really well. I don't know if vinyl gets old or not, but I've had this vinyl for many years, and that could be part of the problem, because usually I don't have an issue with the vinyl. But you want to make sure you're going slow, because I think it's sticking to the paper. Okay, let's go in there and separate them. It's picking up the paper, so I'm going to kind of go in there and just separate the paper from that and then lay the vinyl back down very carefully. Okay. You want to go slow, because if you go fast and it gets stuck, you risk tearing it. There we go. There we go. Oh, almost. The last one. Okay, we're going to set that aside and work on this one as well. I need to cut me a new piece of tape. There we go. Alright, so now I have that, and I also messed this one up because I laid it on my disc and it's sticking to my disc. So I'm going to see if I can fix this. Hang on. Alright, so that goes down. This right here I messed up, this T. I'm actually going to just take this piece off entirely because, yeah, there's a big old wrinkle in it that I can't get out. So I'm just going to cut it. Nobody will know. Right? Okay, there we go. So it's not going to look like the first one, but that's okay. Alright, now it's going to put it on our mug. I'm going to bring something in to hold my mug for me. Okay, so now I'm not going to be too worried about it being straight, just in the center there. Okay, so we got that one. I'm going to flip it over and do this side. Oh, and I got a little piece of something there. Okay, so just double check, make sure everything is, all your insides are out before you apply it. There we go. Okay, now we're just going to rub it. And I find with me, I mean, the vinyl is dishwasher safe. It's not dishwasher safe. No vinyl is dishwasher safe. But I have used vinyl on mugs and cups for years, and I've never had an issue with it coming off. Obviously, I would do top rack only. But if you're going to give this as a gift to somebody, I'd probably just say, you know, like a gentle hand wash. Like I wouldn't use a sponge across it or anything like that. Alright, now to take the vinyl off, to take the tape off, you want to lay the tape flat against the item you're taking it off. This way it helps, it reduces the stress on the vinyl, and you're less likely to get bubbles. So you can see I'm laying it right flat against my piece here. I'm just moving it along. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, let's do the other side. Just rub it a little bit. And I'm actually pretty close to being straight for eyeballing it for my first time. With this vinyl, once you make contact, there's no recovery. You can't pick it back up. So again, the same idea. My tape is laying flat against the surface and just rolling it. I got a piece of Scotch tape right there. That's not part of the design. There we go. What do you think? Eat, drink, and be thankful. That side as well. Super cute. Like I said, you could put it on a mug. If you don't want to eat out of it, you can put, you know, flowers or whatever. But perfectly cute. I love it. Alright guys, there you have it. Using the Brothers Skin to cut vinyl. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.